see him there? Guys, this is my good friend Norm Hebert. Norm, how you doing?
Good, man. Good to see you, brother.
It's been literally 50 years that I've been racing motocross with him at Southwick. Both our first years there were 1975. I was on a TM100 Suzuki, and you're on a TM125, right?
Yep.
And he's still sending it. He's a few years older than me. How old are you, Norm?
I'll be 68.
68.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Isn't this beautiful?
Yeah, when they keep making bikes like this, I have to get a new one. Every bike I buy, I say it's my last bike, and then I saw this, and I said, I got to have it.
So you're running the 60 plus class at NESC?
Yeah, 60 plus. I'll do a little J-Day stuff, maybe a little New York off-road, a little bit of everything.
Same guys you've been banging bars with for the last 50 years, right?
Well, we all know each other. We're all safe.
That's awesome. This is
gorgeous bike.
Absolutely stunning. I don't know if you should put it in a living room or bring it to the track, but it sounds like you're going to Southwick.
Yeah, and you know what? When you see it online, it doesn't do it justice. When you see it in person, it glows.
Your son's going to qualify for the Southwick National this year.
He's going to try. Yeah, he won the 25 plus expert class this year, and finished second in the Open also.
So it's a family hobby.
Yeah, he's still riding. I'm still riding.
Norm's still going strong.
I participate. I don't really race a lot.
Awesome. Well, thank you for the order on the new gas guys. And
yeah, great bike, beautiful bike down here at Kaplan Cycles here. The best deals around. Ask for a local 42 discount because local 42 supports a lot of guys that ride.
Amen. Thanks again.
Yeah. No, thank you.
God bless America.